Enormous Lebanon bologna sandwich unveiled at Pennsylvania Community Fair. 150 feet long, 45.7 meters long, sandwich was created at the Lebanon area fair by a large crew of volunteers known as Bologna Security. Lebanon bologna is known for its distinct smoked and tangy flavor. Foot long bite was sponsored at $100 per foot. The money was donated to Lebanon Country Christian Ministries and their effort to help people dealing with food insecurity in the Lebanon Valley. Security used 600 slices of provolone cheese and 1200 slices of half sweets and original Seltzers Lebanon bologna to create 900 sandwiches or 6 sandwiches per feet. Lebanon. The Republic of Lebanon is a Mediterranean country in the Levant regions in West Asia, located between Syria to the north and east and Israel to the south. Cyprus lies to its west across the Mediterranean Sea. It's located at the crossroads of the Mediterranean basins, and the Arabian hinterland has contributed to its rich history and shaped a cultural identity or religion diversity. It is a part of the Levant regions of the Near East. Lebanon is home to more than 5 million people and cover an area of 10,452 square kilometers, making it the second smallest country in the continental Asia. The capital and largest city is Beirut, followed by Tripoli and Jonia. The official language of the state is Arabic, while French is also formally recognized. Lebanese Arabic is the country of vernacular, with French and English being significantly present, with modern standard Arabic being limited to news and government matters. Ottoman Empire's collapse after World War I, the 5 Ottoman provinces constituting modern-day Lebanon came under the French mandate for Syria and the Lebanon, under which its French-ruled predecessor state of Greater Lebanon was established. Following the invasions and occupations of the French Third Republic by Nazi Germany during World War II, French rule over the region weakened. Upon gaining its independence from Free France in 1943, Lebanon established a unique confessionalist form of government, with the state's major religious sects being apportioned specific political powers. Lebanon initially was relatively stable. This stability was short-lived and was ultimately shattered by the outbreak of large-scale fighting in the Lebanese Civil War, 1975 to 1990, between various political and sectarian factions. Lebanon is a founding member of the United Nations and Arab League, and a member of non-allied movement, the OIC and the OIF.